Mallika Marshall joins us now. And Doctor, I know you've been listening to the CDC hearing. What are your thoughts?
That's right. I've been listening for the 3.5 hours or so that it's been going on, and I want to reassure the public that it has been a very thoughtful process. As Ken mentioned, this is the CDC Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices. It's made up of dozens of experts in all kinds of fields: infectious diseases, pediatrics, gynecology, public health, from renowned institutions all over the country, including some right here in Boston. And what they've done is given a very detailed presentation by Johnson & Johnson on the data that they've collected. The CDC also made a presentation. There's been an extensive Q&A session, and they've allowed some people from the public to make comments. And I think it's clear that from the entire group that really safety is the ultimate goal. They want to reassure the public that this vaccine monitoring system really seems to be working, because that's how they've been able to identify some of these very rare potential complications. They also stressed that the pause was not only to inform the public, but also to notify physicians and other clinicians on what to look out for these very rare, unusual clots that are treated very differently from your traditional blood clots. You know, the point was made that there are 2 other approved vaccines that are very effective, that don't seem to have these complications, that are available to Americans right now. So we'll have to see what they're going to do. The last I heard was they were thinking about maybe not even holding a vote today and perhaps postponing it, but I'm hearing a lot of members sort of lean towards extending that pause at least for a few more weeks until we can sort of see what happens to all the people that have recently been vaccinated with the J&J vaccine over the past 2 to 3 weeks. Again, there is no reason for the average person to worry who has gotten a J&J vaccine that they're going to have any untoward complications. This is incredibly rare, but something that we need to keep an eye on.
No question. Dr. Mallika Marshall, thanks so much. We're going to talk with you a little later in the show as well. David?
Lisa.